Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to completely transform how you view artificial intelligence. We are taking AI from this intimidating sci-fi concept and turning it into an everyday, highly practical time saver. We'll be diving into Mastering Productivity, the ultimate 2026 AI toolkit, and looking at the exact tools and methods that will literally supercharge your efficiency.
But before we get into the actual tools, I've got to ask you a serious question. What would you do if you could reclaim 5 to 10 hours every single week? I mean, just imagine finishing your assignments faster, instantly writing professional emails, or even earning some extra cash, all by leveraging free technology. Sounds pretty good, right? Well, here's our roadmap for mastering AI today. We'll start with student tools, then move to work tools, tackle the AI versus human challenge, uncover some hidden ChatGPT features, and finally look at AI side hustles. Let's jump in.
Section 1, Student Tools, Best Free AI Tools for Students. These are specific resources that will instantly eliminate hours of academic busy work. First up, the absolute foundation of this toolkit, ChatGPT. You probably know it's a super powerful AI assistant used to understand tricky subjects, solve complex math problems, summarize those brutally long chapters, and even practice interview questions. But hey, here is the secret to really making it work for you. Instead of just using it to copy-paste answers, ask the AI to explain the concepts to you step by step. By having it break down the logic, it's like having a 24/7 tutor. You'll actually learn the material way faster and truly understand it. Next on the list is a tool called Notebook LM. This is the absolute perfect solution for exam prep. You literally just upload your own PDFs, your lecture notes, and study materials straight into the system. From there, the AI whips up customized summaries, builds practice quizzes, and lets you ask questions directly about the specific documents you just uploaded. It takes a static, boring pile of notes and turns it into an interactive, totally personalized study session. And then, oh man, we have those dreaded presentation assignments. You know the old way of doing things, right? Spending 2 agonizing hours just trying to align text boxes and make slides look decent. While Gamma AI creates professional presentations in minutes from just a topic. You just type in what it's about, and the AI automatically designs the whole shebang for you. It is an unbelievable time saver. Moving right along to Section 2, Work Tools, AI tools that save hours of work. Think of this as your rapid-fire toolkit for massive professional efficiency. First up in the work toolkit is Canva AI. If you ever need to create posters, thumbnails, or social media posts, this is absolutely your go-to. It helps total beginners create professional designs in a matter of minutes. Even if you have zero design experience, this tool steps in and basically acts as your personal graphic designer, doing all the visual heavy lifting for you. Then we've got Grammarly AI. With this writing assistant, embarrassing grammar mistakes in your important emails and assignments are officially a thing of the past. And it doesn't just check for spelling and basic grammar, it actually analyzes your tone and can professionally rewrite entire sentences to make you sound as polished and articulate as possible. Now, I want you to imagine attending a lecture without writing any notes manually. Just think about that for a second. We all know that tedious struggle of trying to listen to someone speak while frantically scribbling down every single word. And inevitably, you still miss key points, right? Well, that dream scenario is totally possible with Otter AI. This tool is your ultimate stand-in. It records the lecture, converts all that speech directly into text, and automatically generates incredibly detailed notes for you. It essentially attends the meeting or lecture and does all the tedious transcription work, which frees you up to actually listen, absorb, and engage. The final work tool here is Perplexity AI. You know when you're doing research and you have to endlessly scroll through like 10 different websites just to find one reliable answer? Yeah, Perplexity eliminates that completely. It provides direct answers with verified sources attached. It's basically giving you the absolute best of a Google search combined with the conversational smarts of ChatGPT. Okay, Section 3, the AI versus human challenge. Who wins in real-life tasks? It's time for a little showdown to see where these technologies actually stand against our own human capabilities. When we compare these capabilities side by side, it is so fascinating. Look at writing. AI gives us extremely fast first drafts, but humans bring the creativity and emotion, so we'll call that a tie. In coding, AI generates code in seconds, but humans understand complex logic way better. So AI wins on speed, but humans win on logic.
For design, AI creates visuals instantly, but professional designers produce truly original work. So that really depends on the project. And finally, decision-making. AI can analyze huge amounts of data in a flash, but humans bring empathy, ethics, and real-life context to the table. The clear winner there is humans, for sure. So the really profound takeaway here is this. The future isn't AI replacing humans. It's humans who know how to use AI replacing those who don't. These tools are absolutely not here to replace you. They're here to amplify your own human effort, giving you a massive edge over those who refuse to adapt. Let's pivot to Section 4. Hidden ChatGPT features, going beyond simple questions. Most people just treat this software like a basic search box, but we are going to unlock its true potential right now. Here are 5 hidden features that transform this tool into a full-on life manager. First, you can ask it to act as your personal tutor. For example, just say, "Teach me Python like I'm a complete beginner." Second, you can have it create customized study timetables to plan your whole schedule. Third, like we talked about earlier, you can have it analyze and answer questions directly from uploaded PDFs. Fourth, use it to generate scripts, emails, captions, and even business ideas. And fifth, you can actually ask it to improve your prompts for better answers. I really want to pause on that last point because it is just absolutely vital. Asking ChatGPT to improve your prompts can literally double the quality of its responses. This is the ultimate multiplier, guys. If you want truly professional results out of AI, you have to ask it to help you formulate better questions. Better prompts equal vastly superior answers. And that brings us to Section 5, AI side hustles, turning saved time into money. You've just reclaimed 5 to 10 hours a week, so let's look at the new earning potential you've unlocked. Even as a complete beginner, you can launch these 5 specific side hustles. Number 1, YouTube automation, using AI to help with scripts, voiceovers, and video generation. Number 2, freelancing, offering AI-assisted writing, design, or resume services. Number 3, selling digital products, things like ebooks, templates, and planners. Number 4, social media management for businesses. And number 5, online tutoring, where you use AI-prepared lessons to help explain concepts to others. But as we wrap up this explainer, I really want you to remember our central thesis. AI doesn't replace effort. It increases your productivity. Success in your studies, your career, or your side hustles still absolutely requires your hard work and dedication. But now, you've got a powerful multiplier that ensures none of that effort goes to waste. So I want to leave you with this final question to chew on. Which AI tool do you use the most, and which one will you start using today to instantly take some of that burden off your shoulders? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Stay focused, start experimenting with this toolkit, and I'll catch you next time.